Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is ElevenLabs and Speechelo. So to get started with a quick overview, ElevenLabs is a state-of-the-art AI voice generator designed for creators, developers, and publishers. It offers ultra-realistic, emotional, nuanced voice and voice cloning, ideal for audiobooks, video narration, and commercial production. Talking about Speechelo on the other side, it's a beginner-friendly text-to-speech tools designed primarily for voice creator, marketers, and its features is based on voice customization with a breathing and a tone control which aimed at first simple voiceover. Talking about these two platforms, what they are best for. ElevenLabs is best for professional needing high quality, emotional, expressive direction or a custom voice cloning. And here's the downside about this platform: that's a more technical and may overwhelm beginners, and also usage-based pricing can be costly for high volume user, and no built-in video tools or one-click script. Then on the other side, Speechelo is best for beginners, YouTubers, and a marketers needing a quick and simple voiceover. And also, here's the quick downside: it has a limited voice selection and no cloning. It also lacks emotional realisms compared to ElevenLabs. Also, no long forms narration support or developers tools. Then here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So you can choose ElevenLabs if you want podcast quality and customizable AI voice with advanced features like voice cloning and long form narration. Then on the other side, you can simply choose Speechelo if you are new to TTX and want a simple, affordable tools for short videos and basic voiceover. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms.